over here getting our newest listing ready at 7321 Watson's Parish Drive. We're in the amenity packed neighborhood of Twin Chimneys. We have a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, fully finished, walkout lower level. Let's go on in and take a look. Okay, well, if you want to come by, take a look in person. We're going to start showings Saturday, January 14th. We'll have an open house the 15th from 11 to 1. Or for more information, reach out 636-328-2433, or you can always go on our website, LDREG.com.